Okay, children, so please look at your page number 34, chapter number 3, that is editing and formatting worksheets in Excel 2016. So these days we are learning about how to edit. Edit means to make changes, okay, corrections in your data which you have already entered, okay, and formatting means to give a new look or to change the appearance on the data which you have already entered. So these two things we are learning where in the Excel software. Okay, so for that what we have to do at first is we have to open up our Excel software. So to open it up we can do it through three ways. One is you can go to the start button. This is the start button. We can click on there, okay, and search for your Excel. Okay, so if we check it in this section, we'll find it. So you can find it is alphabetically arranged. So A, B, C, D, E, like this way. So here in E we can get this. So if we click on this, it will get open. So this is one way. Next way to open is you can press window button, okay, and R together from your keyboard, okay, like this way, and run window will open. So here we can type down Excel, okay, Excel, this way, and if we click on this OK, then also we can run it. Third one, and the best way, is that those application software which we are using every day, we can make a shortcut and keep it in the desktop like this way. The one, this whichever has the arrow button here, these are the shortcut. Okay, so here for Excel also I have created a shortcut here. If we double click to this from our mouse, it will get open. Okay, so when at first it will get opened, let's give a file name. Okay, and in order to save the time, okay, so look there, it blank workbook, it will look like this way. Okay, first we'll click to this and open it up, and you can see here book number 1 only is written there. So first we will save our file. Okay, in order to save the file, how we do is we can go from this file tab and we can click on the save. Okay, that is one way, and another again shortcut way, control plus S together, if we press, then it will come like this. So save as file name. So let's for example CLASS class 6 computer. Okay, so yeah, yeah, chapter 3 we can give, yes, UMPUTER computer, like that way. And if we click on the save button, now here you will find the name changed into class 6 computer, okay, in place of book 1. So just have a look there now. In place of book 1, it has come class 6 computer because we have given the file name. So now this one you can see here, these are our rows and columns. Okay, so from ABCD alphabetically left to right, these are our columns, and from top to down 1 2 3 4, these are our row. Okay, so here now the table is entry is blank. This one box each are our cell, is in. So this one all are our cells. Okay, so these cells are, like I was saying, is empty. So in order to save the time, if I keep on typing your names and the marks, etc., okay, suppose we, then it will take very long time. So I have already typed down, okay, this somewhere. So I'll paste that one in order to explain to you. So here, if you see, you can see this one sheet, okay, sheet. So this is one sheet. If you click on more sheet, if we want, we have to press on this one new sheet, then new pages it will appear there. Okay, okay, so in order to save the time, I have already typed the data with those names. Okay, so just look at your page number 35. Your first editing is that changing the cell content. That means if you want to change any content, okay, anything that is entered here to something else, then what you do, just simply you go and click there. Suppose we MSc, I want to change it into moral science I want to write, then simply we can press as a shortcut F2 also. Then this way our cursor is blinking here. Okay, so I can remove this thing, delete that thing, and I can write complete sentence, MORAL, moral, SCIENCE, science, like this way also I can do it. That is one way. Okay, Control Z, then I will go back to the same position. Next is we can click here and go to this formula bar, and if we click here, from here also I can change it, okay, like this way. So this is one way to do the correction, okay. So if we do like this way, it will come, okay. So you can see moral science, cell width is not adjusted because of these half of the words we cannot see here, like I told to you there, we have to adjust it. So I will explain to you very shortly how to adjust it, but first just see to that one, okay. So if I press Ctrl Z, again I'll reach back to the same position. So changing the cell content, we saw it simply after typing it. If we press enter, it will get your data changes will get entered there, okay. And now next is deleting the cell content. Suppose we completely I want to remove it, okay, like here extra I have entered there. So if I wanted to remove it, simply we press the delete key, okay. Click there and press the delete key, then it will get removed from there, all right. So this way we can delete it, all right. And the next way how we can do is simply you can select this one, okay, and you can go to this delete option also, and if you click on this, okay, delete option, delete cell, it will go from there. Like if you click on delete, shift the cell to the left or up down wherever you want to. Say for example I want to delete the entire row, okay, then let's see it, okay, like this way everything is gone from there. This, okay, this 4 was below that, so it has come there after deleting. But if I press Ctrl Z, again everything will appear like this way, okay. So that is another way to delete the matter from there, all right. Then next thing is, now this one also again I'm deleting it, okay. Now next is inserting the new row, column and the cell. Three things, okay. Cell means one box only. Say for example here we wanted to insert one new box, okay, and we want to shift this data to down or left, right, anywhere. Then how to do? Only for one cell, one box, you go there, from insert option we can do, okay, by going there and insert the cell, okay. Then where we want to shift, to the right side or down, okay, or we want to insert the entire row or column. Say for example we want to shift it down, and okay, then here you can see new row, new cell, one box has been created, okay. Then if you press Ctrl Z, again we can come back. This is one way. Another way is just press here itself and right click, okay, from your mouse, and we can go to the insert button. One way, this is the other shortcut way, we can just click it from there itself, and we can, okay, if we do towards the right side, then like this way matter, it has come extra here, and new cell, new box has been inserted here, okay. So Control Z again. So one way is just by simply clicking on the right button of the mouse here itself, or another is going to the home tab and going to the insert button, okay. Then inserting the row and the column also same way. So say for example here in number 1 there is a subject's name. So on top of that, say for example, we wanted to insert new row to write class 6 final results. Suppose something like that. Okay, then from here itself, when we right click, insert, then it will appear like this way. And if you don't want, you click on this delete button, it will go. This is one way. Other way is just on top of this you want, so go to the home tab, this one, and this insert one and insert the new row, and so it will come like this way. Again click on the delete, it will go from there entire row. Then column in the middle, suppose here you want to insert, okay, right click, then click on the insert, it has come. Again click on the delete, okay, then delete the cells, not that, delete the sheet, not shell. Just wait for 1 minute, okay. So here if you want to remove that, then first we have to select that, okay, then go to the delete, then delete cell, not the sheet. Sheet means entire page will go. Delete the cell, then that blank column has gone from there, okay. Then next is this one sheet, means this was sheet number 1. If we want to insert new page, Okay, Excel sheet, you go and click there, new page, it will come like this way again. Okay, blank one. So we were working in this sheet number 1. Again, come back there. Okay. Okay, so here look at your page number 36, 37. Okay, inserting the cell I taught you how to do is in one box only. Then next was deleting the cell, row or column. This one also I told to you. Either you can go to the delete option by selecting it first. But okay, like suppose this, the name with the kern, if I want to delete, select it like this way. And you go to this delete, click it, it will go, and when you press Ctrl Z again it will come back. Okay, so like that way. So this page number 37 also is completed. Now look at your page number 38. Okay, that is adjusting the row height and column width. So like I told to you earlier, there are two ways to adjust the height and the width of the column. Okay, like here, if you see in this column number 1, okay, this section, the section where I have typed down the name, you can see Kansar, the full name I have written, but because the size of the cell, all the size of the cell are same. Okay, size is equal. Because of the small size, full name we are not able to see there. So one way is by dragging the border, we can make it bigger. You can see at your page number 38. Okay, so look at your number 1 step there. We have to place it in the row border, or in the row border, or in the column border. This is your row border. If you pull it down like this way, this one, this box height, it has become taller, isn't? And now next is, if we place here in the column border and if we drag it like this way, it will become long. Now you can see Kansati as a whole, or for everyone's name you can see full name. Because why? This was earlier the cell. You can see the size of the cell now, how big it is. Earlier it was small and now we have adjusted. So this is one way, okay, how to adjust the height. Now the next way, height and width. Okay, next way is by going to the format option. Okay, so like you place it here. Okay, and then go to the home tab and this one, format one. Okay, click it here, and if you want to adjust by entering the numbers. Okay, so the next way to adjust the size or width and column width and the height, row height, is by going to the format cell. Okay, so click here, click on the place where you want to adjust it, go to the format option, click it. One way is by entering the height and width. Okay, how much taller or how much longer you want. We can type down the number like this way, the one which you can see it in your book. Okay, in your page number 39, figure 3.7, you can enter it. Okay, and another way, best way is, if you click on auto fit, automatically computer will adjust it. Say for example here, from this one, if I click on auto fit width, then you can see it. Okay, so like this way, if you click on auto fit, we can see automatically it will adjust it. Now everyone's name we can see there is in. Now next option. Okay children, so the video will become long, so let me stop till here. So up to here editing is over. So now in the next explanation I'll make the explanation on formatting. Okay.